Hello student, myself Kishore Singh. Today I teach you the subject sequence and series 11th class standard CBSE. Sequence and series consist two series AP and GP. AP means arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. When the difference between two terms is same throughout the series is called arithmetic progression, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or we said -4, -2, -0, 2, 4, dot dot dot, 10, 20, 30, dot dot dot. When the difference between these three series are same, 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 6 2, similarly 20 minus 10 10, 30 minus 20, that is also 10. When the common difference is same between two terms is called AP. Its general term is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, dot dot dot, and its nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, that is nth term. Nth term. Formula Tn. Tn means find any term, or we said that nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and sum of Sn. Sum of Sn is equal to 2A plus n minus 1 into D, not upon n upon 2. 2A plus n minus 1 upon D. In general terms, also another formula n upon 2. First term plus last term, n upon 2 A plus Tn. That is AP. When the common difference is same, is called AP. General term of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, dot dot dot, A plus n minus 1D. Find any term or nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Find Sn, n upon 2 bracket, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. A is first term, n is term, and D is the common difference. Similarly, GP. Geometrical progression. Geometric progression. That is AR square, AR cube, dot dot dot, AR n minus 1. Second term divided by first is equal to third term divided by second, like 3, 6, 12, 24, so on. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, dot dot dot, 5, 25, 125, and so on. When difference are same, AP. When ratio are same, yeah, division are same, called GP. GN means nth term is equal to A r power n minus 1, where r is the common ratio. And nth term A is the first term. A first term. Find any term in GP by the formula A r n minus 1, where r is the ratio and A is the first term. Now, AM arithmetic mean. AM arithmetic mean. AM is equal to A plus B by 2. Any two numbers का मीन निकालने के लिए सम द नंबर एंड डिवाइड बाय 2 इज कॉल्ड एम एंड जीएम यानी ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन. जीएम इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ AB. GM is equal to under root of AB, AM, A plus B by 2 and GM is A under root of AB. So this is the sequence and series. Mostly two series are there, AP and GP. AP when common difference are same, GP when common ratio are same. GM any term in AP by the formula A plus n minus 1 into D, sum of any term of n by 2 bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d and so on. Also GM, sum of GP Sm is equal to a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Some different series like 9, 9, 9, 999, 9999. This type of series are easily converted into GP. Right, like 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, 1000 minus 1, 10,000 minus 1. Or we should have 10, 100, dot and minus 1 plus 1 1 dot 1 1 dot. This series now converted to GP. So apply this formula and find out the result of GP. Solve some problem on basis of AP and GP. Like the sum of a certain number of an AP, this is this 25, 22, 19 dot sum of certain number one 16. Find last term. Find last term. Question is the sum of certain number this find the last term. This is the AP 25. 22 minus 25 is equal to 19 minus 22 dot. Here A is equal to 25 and D common difference 22 minus 25 that is minus 3 and sum given an Sn is equal to 116. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or we say that we find out the last term. So apply the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus tn. A plus tn. First of all, Sn given 116 is equal to n upon 2, don't know, n upon 2 bracket 2a 2 into 25 plus n minus 1 into d. D means minus 3. Solve this. From this we find out the value of n. This is 116 into 2 is equal to 50 n minus 3n square minus plus 3n. Or we say that 3n square minus 53n plus 2, 3, 2 is equal to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation by middle term split. 3 into 2, 3, 2 converted to 53. Converted to 53, 6 into 1, 1, 6, 12 into 5, 8, 24, 24 into 29, 24 into 29, or we say that 3n square minus 24n minus 29n plus 232 is equal to 0, or taking common 3n and minus 8 minus 29 and minus 8 is equal to 0, and minus 8 and 3n minus 29 is equal to 0, or we say that n is equal to 8 and 29 upon 3. This is fractional number, so not possible, so n is equal to 8. Now find the 8th term, or we say that last term. Last term Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A means what? 25 plus n. N means what? 8. 8 minus 1, 7 into d. D means minus 3. That is 24 minus 25 minus 24 is equal to 4Tn. That is the solution. Now, some question from GP. Find the value of x if minus 2 by 7, x minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2 are in GP, then find x. These three terms are in AP, then find x. You know that second term divided by first term, second term divided by first term is equal to third term divided by second term, or we say that b square is equal to ac. Simple, because AR and AR square, these are GP, then middle term square is equal to first term and third term. So apply b square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC means x square is equal to 2 by 7 into 7 by 2 minus minus plus 2 cancel, 7 so 7 cancel. This means x square is equal to 1, so x is equal to plus minus 1. The value of x is equal to plus minus 1. Another questions. Find 20th term of an GP. Find 20th term in GP. 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, and so. Here first term is 5 by 2, A is equal to 5 by 2, and R means ratio, second term divided by first term, second term divided by first term, that means 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2, or we say that 1 by 2, that is R. Find 20th term Tn is equal to ARn minus 1. Here n is equal to 20. So we say that T20 is equal to A means 5 by 2, R means 1 by 2, whole power n minus 1, n minus 20 minus 1, that is 90, or we say that 5 upon 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 19 and 2 to the power 1, that is 2 to the power 20. This is the 20th term of an GP, 5 by 2, 5 by 4 and 5 by 8. So solve all this type of questions. If any queries, please contact me on that number. Also chat with YouTube or my Facebook ID. Thank you so much.